Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the scene: clean, dry hair and a steady mirror. Comb the hair into its natural fall. This reveals the true hairline. Using a #0, 5 or #1 guard, trim the neck and sideburns first to reduce bulk and create contrast. Once done, remove the guard and make short, controlled strokes to outline the edge. Move slowly. Precision beats speed. Check both sides frequently. Symmetry is key, so adjust small areas rather than overcutting large sections. Now you shape the edge up. Employ clipper overcomb to blend from short sides into longer top hair. This prevents a harsh step and preserves a natural gradient. Focus on the forehead line, then the temples, creating clean, slightly rounded corners unless you prefer sharp angles. Switch to a detail trimmer to cut along your drawn guideline, steady wrist, short passes. Once complete, lift the head and inspect from different angles. Small micro-adjustments make the final result professional and intense. Finish by cleaning stray hairs and brushing the hairline into place, then re-evaluate in natural light for true symmetry. Apply a light aftershave balm or oil to soothe any irritation. It also helps hairs settle. If a line looks too harsh, don't panic. Gently reduce it with very light clipper overcomb strokes or a 1/16-inch guard to feather the edge. Finally, step back and view your work at arm's length. That distance reveals balance and highlights tiny spots you can nudge for perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.